I'm going to show you 3 ways to relieve neck tension and stress very simply, and you can do this for just a few seconds every day, and you will notice a massive change in the tension that builds up in the muscles from your shoulders up to the back of your head from all of the things you do every day, which include mostly looking down and looking at devices. Or if you're someone who works with your hands a lot, you're still working down, maybe working on a workbench. But the idea is that we have to get your head lifted back up. We've got to support the curve in your neck. The curve in our neck should be like this, but most of you have a curve that's reversed due to previous injuries. Maybe you played sports, some kind of accident, injury, slip, trip, fall, anything that caused a jarring motion of your body and forced your head to wobble around. That will reverse the curve, and that will force all the muscles to have way more tension because you've lost that coil spring. These 3 exercises are going to help support and restore that coil spring, the curve in your neck that goes like this, taking it from this way to this way. And that's really what we're looking for. So here's our first stretch. In this first exercise, you're going to lie down on your bed, and you want to get your head as close to the edge of the bed as you can. And start to just gently scooch back so that the edge of the bed reaches the back of your head. And depending on how severe your neck tension is, you're going to want to start slow and allowing the weight of the head to act as a traction device. So you're using gravity and you're using the weight of your head, and you're just going to sit here. And this is going to feel so good as it releases the tension, stretches out the spine, and opens up those joints and allows for better blood flow and takes tension off of the nerves. This is going to automatically release a lot of the tension that you feel, relieving things like headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain, and even mid-back pain. So now if this feels really good to you, you can just hang out here for 2 to 3 minutes each night before you go to bed. This will actually help relax you and help you sleep. If you wanted to increase the intensity, you could grab a towel, a t-shirt, anything that will allow you to put right behind your head. And then once you get that there, you're just going to let your head hang off just like you were and gently pull at about a 45-degree angle up and out, just like that. And again, that's allowing for a little bit more traction and opening up those spaces. And it feels so amazing just to get the weight of your head decompressed from your shoulders and your neck. And you're just gonna hold that for 10 seconds, maybe do that 3 or 4 times, and then you can come back to just resting here. And the third and final way to decompress the spine is you take that same towel and now you're just in a standing position. So maybe you just got out of the shower, and as you're drying off, you can take the towel, put it right behind your head, and allow your head to just cradle back over that sheet or the towel. And you're just applying a little bit of pressure here. Again, trying to get a little bit of traction from the pull on the towel, and allowing your head to rest as it cradles back over the towel. Holding that 5 to 10 seconds and then coming back and relaxing. That is a great way to start your day. Now, if you're at work and you don't have access to a towel, you could just take a shirt collar if you have a collared shirt, and you could pull forward, and that would also, so if this was a collared shirt, I could just pull forward and allow my head to cradle back. And again, just hold that for 5 seconds or so. Do that several times throughout the day, and that will eliminate so much of the tension that builds up throughout the day, so that at the end of the day, you feel amazing. You have a lot more energy. You don't feel as much stiffness, tension, and tightness, and you have less headaches and shoulder pain. Let me know your thoughts. If you found this helpful, please leave me a comment, and I will look forward to seeing you on the next one.